following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: the highest wind gusts are expected from 10 a.m. through 1 p.m. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Taking a look at the 4 through 7